Got some sun issues at the moment. We are working with, picked this up at my local Walmart, premium choice, which means nothing. That's a fake word there. Choice ribs, or choice beef. Not select, not prime, it is USDA choice. Angus, that's just a type of cow, don't let that fool ya. Yeah, USDA choice. That's the real thing you're looking for there when you're looking for meat quality. Let's go and get these unwrapped and see how they look. Hopefully you can hear me, not my neighbor's leaf blower or something, but this has a lot of silver skin and fat on the top of this. I want to trim all this off. I want to make sure we're getting a good adherence to the actual meat with our barbecue rub. So we'll take a few minutes, but I'll come back to you. There we go. We are ready to apply our rub. And if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know I'm just doing pepper and salt, especially for something like this. Beef ribs on the barbecue. It's going to be a strong, peppery, salt beef flavor. Putting this on the side because I'm going to tip up the ribs. Make sure we get the back of those because those are ginormous. I use no binder on these. They're wet enough, been outside long enough where they're sweated. They are good to go to have all the rub stick to it. Not needed to have a binder on these. If I did, I probably would have used Worcestershire sauce. Here we go. Oh, it looks beautiful. Get these on the barbecue. I use my small propane torch to light the charcoal already, so we're gonna put some wood on it and get cooking. And there we go. I'm liking what I'm seeing, and we're just started. Can't wait. Don't worry, the amount of smoke that's coming out right now will die down. I would like to get my stuff on right away versus having to sit there and wait forever to come up to temperature. I haven't seen any appreciable advantage to waiting versus putting on right away. That's what I like to do. And we are using our meter probe today. Let's find a good middle spot in the middle. And there we go. Oh, you come and see that. All right, there we go. This is the chamber. Inside is the meat temperature, obviously. All right, let's see you in a few. Got a little hotter than I was expecting, above 300, but it looks pretty good still. We're about 180 right now internal temperature. I'm just gonna leave it out like this and not wrap it at all. This looks amazing. We're just about there. I just had to take a look again before I took a little break from staring at this thing. Oh, it looks awesome. I could look at this all day. Look at that bark formation. It's breaking apart right here because you know it's getting good and cooked. Oh, looks great. All right, we are done. Hope you can see that. Oh, looks amazing. All right, let's take it off and let it rest. Hopefully, I can do this justice. how this looks on camera versus in person. That crunching is the membrane, not the meat. Don't you worry. Absolutely incredible. Smoke ring. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Great crust. Meat looks incredible. Still nice and warm. This is the winner. We are trying these beef ribs. It's kind of hot today. I didn't want to do the whole studio outside, so we're going makeshift, quick and dirty here to get these things eaten and back inside, because that's where it might be a little more enjoyable. Yeah, kiddo? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You want to take yours? I think yours on the left, mine's on the right here.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. What's that? Well, you take a bite. Go for it. What do you think?
Delicious.
Delicious? Got some stuff all over your face, which is how ribs are supposed to be enjoyed. I'll go and give this a try. Oh wow. It did get a little hotter than I was expecting. In upwards of like 300 plus degrees, which I didn't necessarily want, but the crust formation. Yeah, it wasn't warm, but the crust is just absolutely delicious. The salt, pepper, only with post oak, wood, and lump charcoal. Oh, absolutely amazing. I think she likes it. The wife already has hers. She likes it. Okay, we'll cut this short. Thank you for watching, everybody. I will put a description of how long this took and the temperatures we cooked it at. We used the meter probe. Worked absolutely great. No problems there. I've got a big lunch here planned, so we'll stop talking and start eating. Thanks for watching, everybody. Any questions, let me know, let her know down in the comment section. As always, you want to say it? Nah, dang it. Keep barbecuing America. Take care. Cheers.